Find it challenging to take the features of your product or service and translate them into the benefits they provide your audience? Yeah, it's not easy. If you've been trying different exercises and haven't found one that works for you yet, give this one a try. You may find that its approach is an easier way for you to connect the elements of your product or service to the value it provides your audience. This is called the what happens when exercise. You're going to start by listing out a feature of your product or service. And then ask yourself, what happens when somebody experiences or uses that feature of your product or service? Write out that answer. And then ask yourself again, well, what happens when somebody experiences that? And then say, what happens when somebody experiences that? And keep repeating it until you can't think of another way or another outcome from somebody experiencing that feature or of your product. What you'll find is you've probably now identified multiple levels of benefits related to that feature, and you're now equipped with the ability to tell a story in your marketing. Give it a try and see what happens.